Hi guys. In this video, I am going to show you how we can quickly convert Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and any other file into PDF without using any application or software. After watching this video, you will be able to convert any file type into PDF. So don't misorder the video and watch till the end. Also learn how to do it. Okay, so I am Ashutosh Kaur Form Infotech Master. Let's start converting a PDF from different type of file. Okay, now we are going to create a PDF file in just 5 steps. The first step is to choose a file which you want to convert into PDF. First, create a new folder on desktop. Copy the file which you want to convert into PDF. So once you copied the file, then you can go to the next step, which is open a website which can convert a file into PDF. For open the website, just click on the link which is provided in description. Now this will take you to the website called www.pdfforme.com. Now this is a place where we are able to upload file. So once you open the website, we can go to the step 3, which is select the file which you want to convert into PDF. For select the file, just scroll down and click select file. Now it will take you on this window. Here select the same file which you want to convert and which you copied first. After selecting the file, click on Open button. Here you can see that the file is uploaded. So once the file is uploaded successfully, then we can now go to the step 4, which is convert the file into PDF. So for convert the PDF file, just scroll down and click on Convert button. Now your Excel file is converting into PDF file. So once the file is converted successfully, now you can go to the step 5, which is download the converted PDF file. For download the file, just click on Download button. The file will start to download. Once you download the file, you can open it from Downloads folder. To open the downloaded PDF file, click on 3 dots. Click on Downloads. Here you can see that the file is ready to open. You can use same steps for others all types file to PDF convert. Thanks for watching. I will see in the next video. If someone has problem during convert the PDF, then type it on comment box.